Today I'm going to show you how to do a Pop Masterscoot Round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into a Pop Masterscoot Round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your Pop hand swipe hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now a Pop Masterscoot Round is just a Pop Masterscoot with a round kick at the end, which is going to be targeting towards your back, behind you. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of looking in front of you. You're going to swing your arms back into the side and start to sit back slightly. You're going to start to swing your arms up and look over your shoulder. Jump off both your feet, spot your target, and throw your round kick. Finishing the move in a backside stance. Now, as always, you can do this with a follow through at the end. You can do it with a spin in the beginning, or you can do a spin and follow through together. And if you want to get good at the combinations we're doing later on, make sure you get those variations down. Here are some tips for this move. Make sure that you're trying to go sideways as much as possible because it is going to be very hard for you to get your round kick out if you are going straight over, okay? So just keep that in mind. Second tip, make sure that you're spotting behind you. Remember, you want the kick to come out behind you. It's not going to come out here. So if we're starting the move right here in the backside stance, we're doing it, we're going to go over and we're going to round kick right there where our front side stance would kind of be, okay? And if you'd like to work on a prerequisite move for this trick, you can go ahead and click right there for that tutorial, and that move should kind of carry through and help you with this one. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that are down to support this curriculum. Seriously, guys, thank you so much for supporting it as much as you do. It's freaking awesome that you do that. All right, enough rambling. Next, we'll be getting into level 2.4, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.